Here's how to link your phone number to your RedNote account. In today's guide, I'll show you the simple steps to bind your phone number, which is crucial for account security and easier recovery in case of access issues. The process is quick and easy, so let's dive in. First, ensure your RedNote app is updated to the latest version to avoid any functionality issues. Open the app and navigate to the Me section at the bottom corner of your screen. Next, click the Settings icon to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, select Account Security, then tap the Mobile option. Choose your country code, +1 for the US or +234 for Nigeria. Enter your phone number and double-check for accuracy. Once ready, click Get Code. You'll receive a verification code via WhatsApp or SMS, depending on your location or the platform's verification method. Enter the code into the app and tap Link. Congratulations! Your phone number is now successfully linked to your RedNote account. Feel free to comment with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.